I'm Richard, this is Garage Trouble, and today we're going to be replacing the shifter boot and shifter isolator in my Honda S2000.
All right, we've got the shifter isolator, we've got the new boot. Check this out, it has red stitching to match the shifter knob, carpets, and of course paint. And let's take a look. Put the car in neutral, take a 14mm wrench, turn it clockwise, remove the shift knob, make sure that's all the way up. Now, there's some connectors. All right. I had 3 connectors they had to remove. 1, 2, and 3. There are clips located either side here, 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 there, there, and there, and there. All right, so we got these clips here, 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 and here. These two are relatively easy to get out. The rest of them are the bane of my existence. Managed to break a clip. My God, was that cathartic. Every video I watched on YouTube skipped over getting these clips. They must have been either easier or I'm just but I snapped that clip, and once I snapped that clip, that one was easy to come out, that one was easy to come out. These should be easy to come out as they were before. Seems like I'm gonna fight with this side and this side. I was hoping to get this one last because it's one of the harder ones, but these keep popping into place. Seriously, there is something. There you go, there's some clip or something. What the f is that? Rivet. These 2 plastic rivets. Wow. They don't want you doing this on the AP1. All right. Well, f you, I'm doing it anyways. All right, so got the shifter boot installed on the clips. You know, there's basically, remove the old one. There's 3 holes on one side, 4 on every other side, so it's pretty easy to figure out which one's which. You line it up, and now I'm just tucking in the material so that it doesn't get in the way of those clips that I have remaining. I put this in. Presumably it's not nearly as difficult, but let's enjoy my misery, shall we? Sweet. Now, just have to install the switches and put it back in the car. Just to reinstall the connectors. There we go. The piece that locks the knob in place wouldn't fit in the hole of the shifter boot, so I had to remove it to put it back in place. Where? Oh, where? Okay, we'll do 1, 2. Nope. Go counterclockwise. Sweet. Somebody forgot to install that. Oh, that's funny. This has to come up again. remove you. All right, so got the shifter isolator. It just goes in right underneath this metal panel. It's just to reduce noise and whatnot. The last one I had, well, this is the original, and it was deteriorated and fell apart when installing a brass shifter bushing, brass shifter bushing. Looks good. All right, get the 3 connectors. There we go. Line it up.
And that's it for another episode of Garage Trouble. Managed to get the shifter boot and isolator installed. Thanks for watching.